Good morning, colleagues. I did a voiceover for you on a French-Canadian video so that you understand it. And it's very similar to what you actually did or have at the VTCs, the same size of greenhouse. It's by Jean-Martin Fortier. He's promoting this idea of no-till, raised beds. He uses a rotary plow to do the beds permanently, and then with nice markers on the side, you can see. So it's the same implements you have. The only difference there, he did his own implement because if you have harder clay soil, then you would actually aerate the soil that way without turning it, obviously. So that's something you can even still do and replicate. You can see his size is four raised ridges, 75 centimeter large, a bit the same than what you have. There he's putting some soil amendments. It's broken bones, I think. It's around 60 grams per square meter to enrich his soil. Yours is much more sandier, obviously, so you have to do other things. He's using here an implement to flatten the ridges. Rotative hearse it's called, but you can use rakes for that. That works perfectly fine. And next, now he's coming with another implement he invented as a rake and put some white PVC pipes in it. And then you have even nice spacing, which you can use for transplanting or direct seeding, whatever you plant. In this case, if it's like salad, you will tomatoes you will transplant, and some salad you will see him coming with a direct seeder. And you could do some kind of intercropping here. You could have 2 lines of tomatoes in a ridge and salad lettuce on the side. He's planting now lettuce here. With the earth seeder, you have a junk seeder. It's exactly the same implement you have, and that's why I'm sharing this video with you, because the setup is very similar. 4 raised ridges, same tools used, and the idea is always to maximum your income in a small square meter site. So you want to get the maximum out of your greenhouse. So you plant as diverse and as much as you can on a few square meters. In this example, you see the fast-growing plants like lettuce and spring onions and other spices like basil. They were planted first, and before the tomato took over. And they grow. When they are ready, they have a shorter growing season. See, the lettuce there will be ready after 6 weeks, and then coming the second month, you take them out, and then the tomato will be giving more shade already. Small disclaimer that this only works for organic farming, because obviously when you spray tomatoes, the spray must not come on the lettuce. So this intercropping method is for organic only. Thank you for watching.